mean? That's the bloke who plays Will in Will and Grace, isn't it?
Might be, don't think.
Definitely is. You wait.
Where did you love? What was she? 405, but only family of
Oh! Let's play Destructors for the Swing. Oh, it's a bad boy.
Paying too much for your council tax. Well, if you have, then our money-saving expert Martin Lewis will tell you
Good on, Martin.
thousands of pounds. It pays to watch it.
Any more children after my first one, but, yeah.
What if it is wrong, baby, do it?
Oh, we spoke on the phone, and he said that, he would be willing to sign the consent form for his parental rights to be terminated.
But your child does have a future.
Yes.
That down the road,
Well,
he will ask, why did my dad sign me over? Well, I was never my dad. Why not just make him be a father and participate in growing and raising your child?
Because I have, from the very beginning of the pregnancy, kept in contact with him since he moved to Ohio, and to no avail.
Well, that's because you were dating and went with and happened to have a child. Eventually, a child will grow up.
Yeah,
you're not too old. Yeah. Well, here, please don't show excellent good 19-year-old Ron for the show. All right, let's see. Talk to me for a second here. What's going on? Well, I don't want to seem like a jerk or anything by wanting to sign over the parental rights, or by even considering it. What is the child's best interest? Because she says that he has no medical. And if Tori adopts him, then he has that medical. Right now, I'm kind of struggling. So, how old are you? I'm 19. Right here. Sure. I live on my own. That is my current situation. And we're having trouble.
No!
So, it's hard for me to get a job.
But it's gone a bit mental.
But at some point in time, you will grow up and have to get a job to take care of this. You're not child, too. So you think this is going to in some way, shape, or form make life easier on you if you sign away? Would you walk away from gifts that you have, baby? I put a lot of
Boy!
Part of the reason why your child becomes wet, because he's angry for his whole life that his real dad, he thought was not to today. Now, this is the school. You do what you want. Here's what Michelle's explanation for you. Michelle? What do you think about this? like to say, to Ron, that, you know, this child's here, he's here already. He doesn't have to be here. He's there for his best interest. You know, I'm already upraising this child. I planning on raising him with a family. And I feel I can give him, with her help, I can give him straight up. You know, I don't think, I'm not going to have somebody tell me a father once a year,
Funny smell out there.
every couple months.
Oh yeah. A funny one has to be me. It can't be anyone else, can it? Oh no. Bloody typical, isn't it? Look, as soon as I get this out, the recording being stupid, he buggers off. Oh look, Terence performing for the camera. Good boy, girl. Terence a girl.
And you call me when you get this.